Workflow in GoHighLevel can save you hours of manual work every week. They help you to automate messages, follow-ups, and tasks so your business runs even when you are not online. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple workflow step by step, even if you are a total beginner. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial, the live bootcamp access, and some exclusive bonuses. Now let's get started. So first of all, from your GoHighLevel dashboard, just click on this automation in the left side panel here, and then you can see there is an option for the workflow, and in this tab you will see there is an option to create a workflow. Just simply click on this. You will see there is some option from scratch, from template, or there is option to import the campaign template. For now, let's start with the from scratch. So there is option a new trigger. A trigger means that will start your automation, and in this case just click on this. Now you can choose things like when a form is submitted, when a contact is added to a pipeline, or when a tag is added. Let's say we choose the submitted form. Let's search this. This means the workflow will start every time someone fills out your form. Just save this. Now next thing is just add an action. So here you can see there is a plus icon, a little plus icon here. Just simply click on this to add an action. Now here you can see there are a lot of options. You can send a welcome email, you can add a tag to the contact, or you can send a text message or assign the lead to a team member. So for this example, let's find the email. Send email. Now you have to choose your email, like what will be the from email. So this is our official email. Let's add a default subject here, or I'm just keeping as it is the template, then save action. And that's it basically. So you have created your first simple workflow in GoHighLevel. Now your system can automatically message leads, follow up, and keep your business running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, and let me know in the comment section what kind of workflow you want to learn next. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.